Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about this soft glam look, and the first thing I'm gonna do is priming my eyes with the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre. And I will mattify my eyelid with the Catrice mattifying powder in the shade Translucent. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette in this tutorial, and the first shade is Burnt Orange. I will blend this color all over the crease. And the next color is Sienna. I will focus on the outer V and the inner part of the eye. And I will blend the two shades together with Burnt Orange. And I will apply Rose Pink on the middle part of my eyelid. I'm doing this with my finger for an intenser effect. And I will apply the shade Mulberry on the inner part and the outer V of my eye to make it darker. And I will blend Mulberry with the shade Sienna. And I will apply more of the shade Rose Pink. And now I'm going in with the Stila Wanderlust glitters, and I will blend this with my fingers. And I will make the lower lash line darker with sienna and mulberry. I will apply mascara on my lashes and my bottom lashes, and I will use this NYX Velvet Eye Pencil on my waterline. I will highlight my inner corner with the shade Glistening. And this is the final look. This is the first time that I've tried colored lenses, and you can see the result at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Bye guys!